Today, I'm going to show you 3 powerful things. 1, how you can turn just $5 a day into $1 million using the power of compounding. 2, how to invest the way Warren Buffett, the world's most successful investor, recommends. It's fast, easy, and it can even be automated. And 3, how to open an investment account and choose the type that's best for you. Stick around until the end to learn the biggest investing mistakes people make and how to avoid them. Part 1. How to turn $5 a day into $1 million. Let's say you're 20 years old and want to have over $1 million by the time you're 65. What would happen if you just invested $5 a day? With the power of compounding, your money earns interest, and that interest also earns interest. Over time, it snowballs into a massive pile of wealth. I'm going to show you the US government's compound calculator for people planning for retirement to show you exactly what I'm talking about. We got 45 years, growth rate 10% per year, and we're going to put in $5 per day. This is the massive amount of compounding that it looks like. So just take a look at this graph for a second, and this is what I'm talking about when I say $5 a day can add up to over $1 million with enough time and with good investing. Now, let's say you want to wait until you're 30. You'll need to invest more than $10 a day. Wait until 40, you'll need to invest around $28 a day. By starting at 20, you'll only need to invest about $90,000 total. The other $910,000 comes from growth. So, can you spare $5 a day? If yes, you can become a millionaire. Moral of the story: start early. The sooner you start, the less you need to invest. Time is your best friend. Let your money work for you. Part 2. Investing the way Warren Buffett recommends. Index funds. Warren Buffett once said, if you invest in a very low-cost index fund and keep investing over 10 years, you'll do better than 90% of people who try to invest actively. An index fund is a simple, powerful investment that tracks the overall stock market. For example, the S&P 500. You're investing in a large group of top companies all at once. Here's why it works. Less risk than individual stocks, extremely low fees, historically strong returns, perfect for beginners. The only downside, when the market drops, your investment value will drop too. But if you stay consistent, history shows the market recovers and grows. Part 3. Basic investment strategies for beginners. Strategy 1. Buy and hold. The buy and hold strategy outperforms more than 90% of professional traders. It means buying quality investments and holding them for the long term, through the market's ups and downs. Why it works? Fewer fees and taxes mean more growth. Less panic means smarter decisions. You don't have to time the market, which no one can do consistently. And proven investors, like Warren Buffett, have shown that doing less often earns you more. Strategy 2. Dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging means investing a fixed amount regularly, weekly or monthly, no matter the market price. When prices drop, you buy more shares. When they rise, you buy fewer. Over time, this balances out the ups and downs and keeps you investing consistently. It's best for long-term investors, retirement accounts, and anyone who wants a low-stress, automated system. Bottom line, dollar cost averaging helps you build wealth passively and keeps emotions out of your decisions. Part 4. How to start investing. Before you start investing, make sure you have an emergency fund. Ideally between $10,000 and $25,000 depending on your income and expenses. This protects you when life happens, a car repair, medical bill, or sudden job loss. Having that cushion gives you the peace of mind and lets you invest confidently without panic or pressure. Now, let's talk about the two main ways to invest: brokerage accounts and retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs. Brokerage accounts, the flexible choice. Only open a brokerage account after you've built your emergency fund and maxed out your retirement contributions. A brokerage account lets you buy and sell investments like stocks, ETFs, and index funds whenever you want. Here are some of the pros. No limits. Invest as much as you want. No restrictions. Withdraw your money anytime. Full access to all types of investments. Here's some of the cons. You'll pay taxes on profits when you sell. There's no tax breaks. Best for short-term investing, stock trading, and flexibility. Retirement accounts. 401k and IRA retirement accounts are designed for long-term investing and come with big tax benefits that help your money grow faster. A 401k is offered by many employers and allows you to invest part of your paycheck before you pay taxes on it. Some of the pros are that many companies offer employer matching, which is free money. You might put $1 in, the company might give you a whole nother dollar, or give you 10 or 20 more cents for every dollar you invest. The other big pro is you don't pay taxes until retirement. Now let's cover some of the cons. A lot of 401k programs have very limited investment options, and if you take the money out, with a few exceptions, before the age of 59 and a half, you're going to be paying a lot in taxes. If your job offers a 401k match, always take advantage of it. Once again, it is free money. Now, the next type of retirement account is an IRA, individual retirement account. You can open an IRA yourself, and there are two main types. Traditional IRA, you get a tax break now and pay taxes when you retire, and a Roth IRA. You pay taxes now, but all your growth and withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. I personally recommend the Roth IRA because taxes are likely to rise over time, and it gives you peace of mind knowing your retirement money is 100% yours and you're not going to be paying any taxes on it. So pros, huge tax advantages and tax-free income in retirement with a Roth. You have way more investment choices than a 401k. Now let's cover some of the cons. Annual contribution limits are $6,500 a year or $7,500 if you're over 50. For a 401k, they're a lot higher. There's also early withdrawal penalties similar to a 401k. It's best for anyone without a 401k or those who want an extra tax advantaged savings system. If you make a lot of money, you are probably not going to qualify to contribute to a Roth IRA retirement plan. In that case, you're going to want to talk with your financial advisor about some of the other options, whether that's a standard IRA or something else that might be even better for you. Final tip. Once again, if your employer offers a match, always start there. Then open a Roth IRA for tax-free growth. If you still have money left to invest, open a brokerage account for flexibility. Part 5. Choosing a brokerage firm. When picking a brokerage firm, you need to look for the following: low or no fees, an easy-to-use platform, the investment options you want, and the learning resources you need for your journey to grow and learn as an investor. There's another big thing that you're going to want to consider and make sure that you have: great cybersecurity, as well as government protection for your money from SPIC and or FDIC. This means that if the firm goes bankrupt, the government will give you a good amount or all of your money back. Once you choose your platform, sign up online, verify your account, deposit money, and start investing. Now here is the bonus you've been waiting for. These are the bonus tips that are going to help you avoid the biggest mistakes that people make when it comes to investing. 1. Not researching before investing. Always do your research. 2. Trying to get rich quick. This will lead to making bad and risky decisions. 3. Letting emotions control decisions. 4. investing money you can't afford to lose. This is why you set up your buffer, you set up your savings account first. 5, ignoring diversification. If one company that you're invested in goes bankrupt and that's your only investment, you lose everything. 6, timing the market. No one can do it consistently. 7, ignoring fees and taxes. This will eat away at your money big time. 8, thinking short term. Keep thinking short term, your decisions are not going to be as good. 9, following hype instead of strategy. This will make you make very bad and very risky decisions. And 10, not starting early. If you're running a race and someone starts way before you, you're never going to catch them. But if you start sooner than they do, you are going to win that race no problem. The same is true with investing. If you start early, you're going to win your race and you're going to have a ton of money in retirement because that money can grow over time. So remember, with this video and everything else that you're going to watch to become a great investor, success in investing isn't about luck. It's about discipline and consistency. If you want to explore investing in depth, I've linked the best books and resources on the topic in the description below. These have helped me a ton, and I know that they will help you. And if you're trying to figure out your path, we also offer a free life coaching call to help you get started. If you want more additional resources, visit atlasclass.com for some amazing tools. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more personal development and success tips. Let's build your future together.